Rabbi.
Yes.
Rabbi, so let's say somebody they didn't take upon themselves anything. They didn't say like they're going to. Let's say somebody who wants to keep Shabbat earlier, 1 hour earlier. They don't say anything, but they start, accepting Shabbat earlier, 1 hour before. Are they obligated to start keeping Shabbat earlier from that time on, or no?
No. If you say, look, it's in the summer, I want to do it early because I don't want to leave till wait till 9:30 p.m. Let's say to light the candles. So I want. Not 9:30, maybe 8:30. I'm not sure. It depends on the region where the person lives. So I want to, as you said, start the earliest you can start 1 hour and a quarter before the sundown. So it's pretty much early. So it's like, and until the nightfall, it is a few hours before the nightfall, right? So of course you're allowed to do that. And if you say like, even mentally, if you say, look, because in the June, July, whatever this longer period of time, that's what I want to do, but not in the winter. So that's it. You're not obligated. So, but it's very important, as we said before, with all of this nidarim, with all of this obligation. Just always say. So I'm not going to do any nether. I'm not promising, I'm not accepting upon myself any responsibility. I'm going to try, see how it goes, but I want to stop whatever I want to stop. So in this case, there is no problem whatsoever. But once when person did not say so, right? Did not say so, and he did something for 3 times, so it becomes chazakah. It's like certainty that 4th time. We expect him to do so. So when you do it somebody favor, so you help your neighbor to unload his car for 3 times. So the 4th time, guess what? He's going to look at your window. Where is this guy? He's not coming. What's going on? You understand? So it's 3 times. But if you say bli neder, no problem. Bli neder without obligation. And it's proper also to have intention when we're going to pray on I think it's on Yom Kippur. There's the first prayer, right? It's renouncing all of the vows, right? So and there is a special part. I think it's a prayer on Yom Kippur when it says, if I'm going to make obligation, if I'm going to do a nether, I accept on myself. I'm stating now it should not be counted as obligation. So when you say these verses, you have to be like full kavanah. That's what I want to do. Even if I do something 3 times, it should not be counted as obligation. I don't want it. I'm saying right now, I know myself, and it's actually in every magzar. Ashkenaz, Sfard, doesn't matter. It's everywhere. So but you have to pay attention to the words.